Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to adjust VW bug valves, full guide. Start by ensuring the engine is cold and the car is secure on level ground. Remove the valve covers carefully and clean any debris from the area. Identify the intake and exhaust rocker arms and consult a basic gap chart for stock settings. Work methodically, adjust one valve at a time, recheck clearances, and keep parts organized to avoid mistakes. In this video, I will show how to adjust VW bug valves, full guide. Confirm the correct intake and exhaust clearances from a reliable source and lay out tools nearby. Use a feeler gauge to check the gap between rocker tip and valve stem while rotating the engine to the correct cylinder position. If the gap is off, loosen the lock nut, turn the adjustment screw, and recheck until the feeler slides with slight resistance. In this video, I will show how to adjust VW bug valves, full guide. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing useful car tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your Beetle smelling great while you wrench. Look in the description for the link and other deals. Pick one up if you like. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to adjust VW bug valves, full guide. Begin with cylinder 1 at top dead center and proceed in firing order to each cylinder. Use the feeler gauge to determine if the gap is tight or loose, then back off the lock nut, turn the adjuster, and retest. After setting all valves, rotate the engine 2 full revolutions and recheck critical clearances to ensure consistency and smooth engine operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.